Alright, you guys, we're gonna give you a full tour of the lummi reservation. This is the lighting area. I'm not sure if they have more. I think this is the only one they have for lighting areas. So pretty much, you know, the standard lighting area that you'd find in Washington. So, alright, so this is the lighting area. Right there, it's just a little patch of gravel. So, this is where you can light your stuff. And then here's all the stands. Most of them are closed because I ran out of storage, and I asked my dad to just clear it for me. So yeah. So yeah, we'll go ahead and walk around and show you what's here. So yeah. Not more stands are open, so expect TikTok boom. Oh, it looks like you can light fireworks over there. Let's check that out. I'm completely out of money, and sorry guys, I couldn't do the shopping video because that's when my dad was doing the clearing the storage and stuff. You solid as a rock? Yeah. Slow. Go. Train to go. Yeah. Here, we'll go check out this area. I'm not sure if you can light fireworks here, but or if it's just for the native people. I'm not sure. We'll find out. Looks like you can buy food here. Yeah, this is like the food area if you're hungry. So, nah, I'm not sure. No, I'm not gonna walk back there. So, I want to show you everything. Alright, so surprisingly, there is no videos on this place, and I would expect to see videos on this place because of how fun this place is. This is literally just another Boom City with less people. I mean, now that this video is going to be posted on YouTube, it's going to get more business, of course. So, yeah. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for the music. So, we'll just say that's hypothetically not Biggie music. Ooh, a free fountain. Look at that. Free fountain. Got a bunch of stuff. Yeah, like I said, most of the stands are closed. Oh, look at that. I'm not sure if this is a lighting area. We'll check it out. Okay, so they said it was back here. So, so got some free snappets. Nope, they're still in there. No in here. Nope. What else we got for free? These snakes. No. Looks like I got a snapper. Oh yeah, party poppers. And these things. Alright, see if we can. Didn't work. Here, see if we can do this one. That one's a dud. Nice. See if we can do all of them. We got 3 more. And don't worry guys, you can litter here. Just like Boom City and the other places. We'll lick the fountain in a second. I just want to see if there's anything else on the floor. But yeah, this is just another lighting area. So they have two. This whole field right here, you can light stuff, it looks like. It's so empty.
Look at that one.
Okay, we'll light the fountain now.
No, Jochen, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. No.
Alright, here we go. So yeah, if I haven't already said it, I'm gonna say it again. I couldn't do the shopping video because my dad was editing, or not editing, deleting some of my stuff from my phone. Like to clear my storage. And yeah. We'll go ahead and show you the rest of the stands.
Recording? Hi! Hi! Subscribe to the YouTube kid.
Yeah.
Hi.
Alright. We'll just keep walking. I'm glad I'm able to at least still give you guys a tour, but unfortunately I couldn't do the shopping, as I just said before, the reason why I couldn't do that. But yeah, we'll head back to the lighting area, finish off lighting my stuff. Ooh, look at that. Little pack of firecrackers. Nice. And then, yeah. It's nice to find a little pack of firecrackers. There's some stands over here, and then if you want to come during the daytime, it's better because most of the stands is open, but no one will really be lighting fireworks. That will probably change because of this video. So yeah, got some fireworks here. Oh yeah, hold up, I'm gonna show you another place. There's another place that's open year round. That's just down the street, or like just right here. I'm not sure if it's open right now, but they were open earlier. I'm not gonna go inside, I'm just gonna show you a little bit. Just gonna go over here. So there's Alley Cat fireworks, and then there's a Smokey's seafood fireworks place. That's what they're called. I'm not sure if they're open. Let's find out. So there's another stand here I've never seen before. Must be new or old, I'm not sure. That snaps. So there it is. Smoky seafood fireworks. There's that stand over there. Yeah. Okay, let's head back. We'll continue walking. Here's all their signs. I'm not sure if there's like a name for this place, like Boom City or Muckleshoot. I don't know if I already said that, but if I did, then I just said it again. I think there's like a fire from the distance. So this is like where you can park and stuff. open. And they got porta potties in case you need to use the restroom. So the location of this place, I'll put it at the end of the video. I'll tell you right now where it is. It's close to Canada, like probably like 10 minutes away from the border. Then it's like right next to Ferndale, Washington, and yeah, it's by the casino. Just look up Lummi fireworks, or just fireworks in this area, like near Ferndale, Washington. Just look that up, and then you'll find this place. And there's other nearby locations where fireworks don't have lighting areas, but yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.